Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about iOS 17.1 RC2. I was planning on doing my follow-up to iOS 17.1 yesterday, but Apple unexpectedly released a release candidate 2 for the iPhone 15 series. Again, this is only available if you are on an iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, or 15 Pro Max. It does not apply to the iPhone 14, and this beta release does also not apply to any other devices. There was nothing else released for the Watch, tvOS, macOS, iPadOS. Those are all still on their respective beta updates. So this is only for the 15 Pro Max, and this is Apple likely trying to patch some of the bugs that we've been seeing with iOS 17.1, specifically on the iPhone 15 series with the random shutdowns, the screen image retention issues, which they said were being fixed in software. So that is likely the release of the RC2 that we're seeing. It's likely just more improvements on those for the 15 series, since they are having a few different software issues with iOS and the iPhone 15s specifically. So they just want to patch those before the final 17.1 release, likely within the next couple of days, either Monday or Tuesday of the coming up week if you're watching this on Saturday when it comes out. So 17.1 is very, very close to release, but we're not seeing any other updates or anything like that. No modem update, nothing like that on 17.1, just some bug fixes here on the iPhone 15 series. So if you're planning on updating to iOS 17.1 next week when it comes out, I would highly recommend it. Apple has been working to patch a lot of the bugs, especially again for the iPhone 15 series. If you are on one of those, a lot of those issues that we've been experiencing with image retention, phone shutdowns overnight by itself, all that kind of stuff, hopefully will be fixed in the coming updates to 17.1. The overheating and battery issues seem to have been pretty much resolved via app updates and the release of 17.0.3. So if you're on the stable builds, 17.0.3 should have fixed all that for you. If you are running betas and you didn't get the 17.0.3 update because you were on 17.1, then 17.1, beta 3, beta 2 and 3 should have likely patched all that stuff with the same updates that were applied in iOS 17.0.3, so we should be good to go there for iOS 17.1. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.